Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Without any backing, without any godfather in the industry, you've made it so far.
You need God here. Once you have God, you don't need godfather. The turning point has to be this Balaji show called Kaisa Ye Pyar Hai. Here I have to be very honest with you. I have been very lucky in terms of roles. So whatever roles I've gotten, they've just fallen in the lap. Yeah. God has been really kind to me.
Wow.
मैंने ऐसा कुछ स्पेशल एफर्ट नहीं किया है उनके लिए कि ऐसे रोल मुझे मिले. It's purely to thank God for it. The second part of the question is ये कहाँ से आया? ये आया है the way makers of different platforms do a bit of a bias between television actors.
Correct.
And अभी तो एक नई ब्रीड आई है. OTT actors.
OTT actors, हाँ जी.
Film actors, OTT actors, television actors. So for me, if you're a good actor, I think you can get work any way you want.
म्यूजिक से शुरुआत करके बड़े पर्दे से लेके छोटे पर्दे तक हर सफर तय किया इन्होंने. He has been in the industry for more than over 2 decades and he still remains इस entertainment दुनिया की शान. Welcoming none other than Iqbal Khan in conversation with me on India Forums. Hello sir, welcome.
Thank you for having me. Thank you.
How are you doing?
I'm doing fantastic. How are you?
Well, we are excited क्योंकि हमने teaser देखा है about your upcoming series, which is based on terrorism and nationalism और सब कुछ ऐसा हमें उसमें एक mixture देखने वाला है. I want to know better from you कि ये Commander Karan Saxena all together है क्या?
Actually, basically, as the name says, Commander Karan Saxena. So it's basically Commander Karan Saxena's journey to solve a threat.
Okay.
And the threat is me.
Okay.
Yeah.
इतना सबका लाडला threat कैसे हो सकता है? I mean, everyone's heartthrob is becoming a threat.
In fact, that is something that was very interesting for me to. मैंने कोई इतना out and out कोई भी dark character किया नहीं.
Yeah.
So for me, it was as an actor, it's very interesting to delve into something that's slightly menacing, dark, and
True.
मेरे लिए सबसे ज़्यादा एक्साइटिंग था कि एक तो ये मासी शो है, बहुत मासी शो.
करेक्ट.
तो मासी शो होने के बावजूद आप उसको कैसे अंडरप्ले कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कुत्ते कमीने में तेरा खून पी जाऊंगा. अब इसको आपको अंडरप्ले करना तो कैसे? तो एज एन एक्टर तो ये मेरे लिए बड़ा ही इंटरेस्टिंग था. इंटरेस्टिंग जर्नी.
We'll definitely continue talking more about Commander, but before that, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी, for all these kids who know a little bit of you or just know of you, I want to ask this for them. More than 2 decades are in the industry. Daily soaps करे हैं काफी सारे. मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहती हूँ, what was that day when you decided that you're going to step into this entertainment industry? What was that turning point in your life? अब तक के आपके जर्नी में?
So basically, when I was in school, I did this play called. Our school was celebrating 150 years.
Okay.
And we were doing a school play, and the school had called. There was a very lovely lady who I consider her like my mom, Mrs. Aruna Ahluwalia. She was from English Theatre Delhi, and 2 people were called from NSD.
Okay.
So that they could do a special English play.
Correct.
On that year, because it was like a big year for school, celebrating 150 years. So they chose a play called Karan, the Son of Surya.
Okay.
You must have heard of Jai Mrityunjay.
Yes.
So wo, that's how I somehow got Karan's role in it, and I think that's even now when I speak to Ms. Ahluwalia, I always tell her that you put that germ into me, and that's when the germ got into me at that time.
Correct.
And my friends all often tell me that you should model and all that when you go to college and all that. So that's how I started. And then, I was in Delhi doing college at that time, doing modeling. But then, what after that? So the next step would be acting, and for that, at that point of time, even now, when you need to shift from ads to kind of talkies,
correct,
then you have to move to Bombay.
Correct.
That's how it happened.
Correct. Without any backing, without any godfather in the industry, you've made it so far.
You need God here. Once you have God, you don't need godfather.
Wonderful. तो मैंने आपसे ये भी पूछा था आपकी इस पूरी जर्नी में आपको ऐसा कौन सा पॉइंट लगता है which has happened to be a turning point?
Oh, turning point. So the turning point has to be this Balaji show called Kaisa Ye Pyar Hai. That definitely has to be a turning point. However, when I started the show, for me, it was more about paying next month's rent. That was a primary thing. Keep whatever it is, let me just do it. It's just that. No, I have to do it.
Oh God.
So for my focus at that time was just rent and I'm working. But it
happened.
It happened.
Do you remember the first fan encounter? मतलब आप आपका कोई डेली ऐसा काम कर रहे होंगे नॉर्मल और किसी ने आपको ऐसे रिकॉग्नाइज कर लिया होगा with your character's name?
So this happened to me before Kaisa Hai Pyar.
अच्छा.
So when I done Funpush, at that time my wife Sneha, we not married, so I used to go to Bandra to meet her. So I used to catch this 80 number from Versova to Bandra. So वो थोड़ा there used to be a place called Zenzi, so I used to get dropped there. So most of the times people would look at me and say that ये तो actor है, ये बस में क्यों? So I used to find it very weird. बस में क्यों मतलब क्यों नहीं हो सकता बस में? इसके पास शायद पैसे नहीं होंगे. So that was the first time, I kind of got into that people are recognizing it.
वो exact fan encounter कि आपके character के नाम से किसी ने आपको बुलाया?
वो that only happened after my first show.
After your first show.
Yeah. That was. So I remember I had started shooting and my primary focus was only shooting. So I had home shoot. It's only when Sony that time as a channel decided to do a little bit of a road show in Lucknow.
Okay.
I remember Amit Tandon, me and Neha, we all go for it. And I reached late, I remember. I mean, Amit and Neha were already there, they were on stage. And I realized when I got on the stage and I saw the reaction of the people, though they were looking at Angad, the character, not me. And I realized that, something has changed.
Something has changed for good then.
Something, I don't know about good or bad, but something had really changed in terms of how they were looking at me.
सर इतने साल काम करने के बाद एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री के बारे में आपसे जानना चाहती हूँ. इज देयर एनी डिफरेंस दैट यू सी बैक देन और आज के करंट स्टेटस में अबाउट द टेलीविजन इंडस्ट्री पर्टिकुलर?
In terms of content?
In terms of content,
in terms of content, things haven't changed.
Haven't changed?
No.
Okay.
In fact, I feel that some of the shows that, for example, Ekta used to make, or even producers like DJs and all, they used to make certain shows, which were content-wise they were even better. But it hasn't really changed much, I believe. It hasn't changed. So what has happened is, with time, what has happened is that you can't blame anyone. You can't blame anyone. There's a certain kind of a research they do.
Correct.
And it gives them a feedback where a certain kind of a show has to be made.
Correct.
So if you want to get into it, you have to keep that in mind that this is what I have to do. And that's what I do, even if I have to do TV. But what I take in my hands is that acting ठीक तरह. So I always tell the makers
ठीक तरह कर लो.
हाँ मतलब गंदी.
How modest you.
मतलब गंदी acting मत कराना.
Correct.
क्योंकि माना जाता है थोड़ी loud करेंगे वो करेंगे. तो वो मत वो नहीं करना.
Okay.
बस इतना.
और actors के मामले में कैसा?
जब पहले जिन दिनों जैसा काम हुआ करता था, वैसा तो उस लेवल का नहीं होता है क्योंकि हम तो घर ही नहीं जाते थे.
Correct.
हम तो सेट पे ही पड़े रहते थे. हाँ.
कितना vigorous.
अरे भाई साहब, तो देखो पीछे वो मतलब पैक भी नहीं होता था, ऐसा वाला होता था.
ब्रेक टाइम वगैरह कुछ भी.
अरे क्या है, 5 बजे डिनर ब्रेक हो रहा है सुबह, और जैसे 6-5 बजे अगर शूटिंग खत्म हुई तो सुबह 7 बजे की दोबारा. तो वो बड़ा टैक्सिंग हुआ करता था, जो अब नहीं होता. कम से कम मैंने तो नहीं देखा होता, लेकिन मैंने इतना खतरनाक नहीं होता.
आजकल तो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में टाइमिंग्स लिखे जाते हैं ना, एग्जैक्ट इस टाइम तक ही होंगी शूटिंग्स. देन देयर आर डिमांड्स ऑफ अबाउट एक्टर्स अबाउट हैविंग वैनिटी वैन्स, बाहर चाहिए तो ही मैं शूट करूंगी विदाउट नेमिंग एनीबॉडी. दीस आर द डिमांड्स मेड बाय.
देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग इन if you want your makeup room, as a television actor, आप 20 से 25 दिन काम करते हैं, ठीक है, I'm talking about the people who are working almost every day.
Correct.
तो दिन में 12 घंटे काम करते हैं, 20 से 25 दिन काम करते हैं, तो आप घर से ज्यादा सेट पे हैं.
Correct.
अब इतना तो हो सकता है कि मेकअप रूम तो ठीक ठाक होना चाहिए. अगर उस लेकिन इसको ऐसा चढ़ाया जाता है तो वो अजीब ऑडियंस को भी दिखता है अलग, और जो लोग ऐसी न्यूज पढ़ते हैं उनको भी ऐसा अरे ये तो 2 बजे लंच मांग रही है यार. अरे क्यों नहीं मांगेगी भाई, भूख लग रही है.
True.
तो there's nothing wrong in it. There's nothing. मेरे भाई साहब, मेरे मेकअप रूम में यहाँ पे पानी आ रहा है, यहाँ पे क्या, अरे यार बड़ा एटीट्यूड, क्यों है भैया, नहीं रहने उसको उसमें, you know,
बिल्कुल.
there's nothing wrong in it. Absolutely. क्या होता है अगर शुरू से आप नॉर्मल ट्रीट करेंगे ना सबको, तो क्या होता है जब फिर क्या थोड़े से बड़े हो जाते हैं वो फिर they get back to they need the best of everything, then you have no choice but to give it, and suddenly that actor becomes full of talent.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. Also sir, back then social media इतना active नहीं था जितना अभी हो गया है. Correct me if I'm wrong, you were not there on Instagram?
I am not on social media.
कोई भी platform पे नहीं है आप? You quit it 4-5 years ago?
Yeah. I have a locked Facebook account.
अच्छा, हाँ, private.
Which is just
for family friends.
And
है ना वैसा.
or people who I know in work.
Basically,
if you're out there, for example, if you're a Facebook friend of mine, and you comment something on my picture, and if you're there, you'll not comment anything wrong.
Correct.
And if I put my opinion out there, which can be political or whatever, first of all, you not have a problem with me, because we will be of the same wavelength.
Bilkul.
And even if you do, I will know where you live.
Yeah.
So.
So there was a specific reason क्या social media से break लेने का, या ऐसी बस you just didn't want to put out anything out there for everyone?
तो मुझे क्या, first of all, तो I am slightly private in life.
Okay.
And the second is I get very lazy.
अच्छा.
To it's a lot of hard work, यार.
It is.
Social media is a lot of hard work.
बिल्कुल.
And
नहीं होता. पर आजकल तो सर ये ज़माना है followers का, उसके बाद में you get paid to put a picture also on the Instagram.
मेरे को ठीक ठाक मिल जाता है एक्टिंग में, चल जाती है दुकानों में.
So earlier we were discussing, like the team was sitting, we were discussing that there are so many actors who also have their own YouTube channels.
हाँ, correct.
So as an actor I want to ask you, क्या आपको भी ऐसे लगता है कि एक्टिंग तो आप कर ही रहे हो, from there you earn also, but side by side you also should have something else to rely on?
This is called God syndrome. No यार, रोजी रोटी देने वाला ऊपर वाला है, ठीक है, आप बस काम करते हैं, ज़्यादा सोचते हैं, वो भी कर लूँ, ये भी कर लूँ, तो 4 दिन के बाद चले गए ऊपर. आपको जो काम मिलता है ना, वो आपको ईमानदारी से करना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल.
बस, और dishonesty नहीं होनी चाहिए लाइफ में.
Absolutely.
You should give in your best, and you should try to be a nice human being. Yeah, that's all that matters. I mean, one should not worry too much about future. It just sorry.
We'll leave that. Coming about role selection, so जैसे आपने कहा भी कमांडर में ऐसे किरदार में कई लोगों ने आपको कभी देखा ही नहीं है. It is very different for everyone. इतने साल में जो आपने काम किया है, इसके पीछे जो रोल्स आप सिलेक्ट करते थे, कोई डबल थॉट्स होते थे या कोई एक प्रोसीजर होता था कि इस टाइप के रोल्स करूंगा या इस टाइप के नहीं करूंगा?
Here I have to be very honest with you. I have been very lucky in terms of roles. So whatever roles I've gotten, they've just fallen in the lap. Yeah, God has been really kind to me.
Wow.
मैंने ऐसा कुछ स्पेशल एफर्ट नहीं किया है उनके लिए कि ऐसे रोल मुझे मिले. It's purely to thank God for it.
तो ऐसे कोई प्रोसीजर नहीं था कि यही कैरेक्टर्स करने हैं, you just got it, you loved it and you did it.
Absolutely. No, क्या नहीं करना है that you know.
That you know.
For example, अगर आपको 4 शोज ऑफर होते हैं, उसमें से आपको पता है क्या नहीं करना.
Correct.
जो करना है उसमें से आप सोचो कि कौन सा बेटर.
Correct. तो ऐसा कमांडर में क्या था that you decided to come on board with it?
First of all, I'd never done out and out something like that.
True.
And for me, the meat of the character is very important. So my character Nasir has a lot to do in the show.
Okay.
And for the show to go forward in the show, basically he is the primary hindrance for Commander.
Okay.
So that is something that really excited me.
इसके लिए कुछ एक्स्ट्रा तैयारी करनी पड़ी है फिजिकली, mentally या ऐसे कुछ?
कुछ नहीं.
Because you're playing an ISI chief or something.
See,
right?
we have a director.
हाँ.
His name is Jatin Bagle.
हाँ.
He's done so much research on secret services that the best thing would for me would have been to just listen to the minute details, and that is what I've done.
Correct.
My question to him was, and we really got lucky that we were thinking on the same length, is that because it's a massy show, I just wanted to keep it as real as possible.
True.
So we were on the same page on that.
True. और जब भी ऐसे कोई मूवीज आते हैं, कोई सीरीज आते हैं जिसमें टेररिज्म वगैरह की बातें जुड़ी हुई होती है, काफी ज्यादा एक्शन भी देखने मिलता है हमें.
एक्शन बहुत है. एक्शन बहुत है.
उसके लिए कुछ स्पेशल सीखा, किक बॉक्सिंग या कुछ ऐसे आर्ट?
यार मैं थोड़ा बहुत कर रखा है थोड़ा पहले, तो वो थोड़ा बहुत काम आ जाता है.
What are you?
I did martial arts for 8-9 years when I was in school and college.
Wow.
But I have to tell you that I don't really talk about it because you have to be in practice. So I don't tell my makers that, oh, I can do this, I can do that. It's only when the action sequence is happening, I go and tell the action director.
Correct.
And see first myself that what I can do.
Correct.
And then I tell the action director, this is what I can do, this is what I can't.
Nice. Talking about content, OTT platforms के वजह से ना हमें ऐसे लगता है as audience कि लोग काफी ज़्यादा choosy हो गए about what they want to see and what they don't, है ना? काफी ज़्यादा clear है क्योंकि काफी सारा content है, worldwide content है. Especially जब चीज़ें बनती है terrorism के इर्द गिर्द ऐसे काफी sensitive हो जाती है चीज़ें. So उसको लेके आपके mind में कुछ है ऐसा double thoughts about?
Can you tell me exactly what is sensitive?
Now, for example, people will always say कि heroism from India will always be shown on a higher notch. Because you are making that film and you're showing how you're fighting terrorism.
So, you know, my answer to that is, and I'm a proud Indian.
Correct.
But Nasir as a character is a next level patriot.
Oh.
But for his own country.
For his own country, correct.
So, the difference between him and Commander is that he has an evil streak. For him, is like his country is the best, and anything that stops him in putting his country on the world map, he is going to eliminate that person.
Oh.
Whether it's from his own country or outside, or brother, mother, it doesn't matter.
Achha.
That's his evil streak.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, of course, evil character है तो ये question बनता नहीं है, but still कुछ चीजें ऐसी है नासिर से जो आप इकबाल में भी सिमिलर हो?
नॉनवेज पसंद है लोगों को.
Just that.
Just that.
Well, कुछ fans के question आए थे हमारे पास to ask you about it. As a dedicated family man, how do you balance your personal life with the demanding schedule of an actor?
So basically, if I'm doing a film or a web show, the shooting is always scattered.
Okay.
And even if it's an extensive shoot, you'll always be getting gaps.
Okay.
And at the end of the day, 50-60 days, it will always finish.
Okay.
And when it's TV, I don't work for more than 20 days a month.
Okay.
So I get 10 days off. I don't get together 10 days.
Hanji.
But 2 days in a week, I definitely get off.
Do you remember when was the longest time that you stayed away from your family?
I think today we're promoting. Hotstar will kill me. No. So I had gone for long skate. I was shooting for a web show directed by Apurva Lakia. We had a Chandigarh schedule for almost 35 days. That's what I think right
is the
now.
Longest?
But no. The longest has been 75 days.
75 days?
75 days. In fact, not even 75, 90 days. Amara was just born, my first daughter.
Okay.
She was just 14 days old and I had to go to Dubai for a long skate for 3 months. So I came back, she was 3 months old.
You missed that period?
I really missed that. But when the second one was born, I realized that I'm glad I missed that first 3 months. Because bachche sote nahi.
Absolutely. Someone has asked about overcoming setbacks The entertainment industry can be unpredictable. Can you discuss any significant setback that you have faced?
The only setback that an actor faces is lack of work, and that's the only thing that should affect an actor. But God has been very kind to me. I've never faced that. Apart from that, the things that can affect you are only ego based. कि उसका गाड़ी अच्छा है, इसका नहीं है, वो है. That one should avoid. So I want to thank God that just does not get to me also. So that's something that one should not.
Okay, next question. When will we see you in Big Boss?
Never say never, but I hope never.
Offer तो आते होंगे ना?
अब तो उन्होंने कॉल करना बंद कर दिया
है।
क्या करूँगा?
But we would love to see you there.
और अपनी बेइज्जती कराने के लिए
अपनी बेइज्जती क्यों?
अरे कहाँ है?
Okay, next is when will you come back on social media?
Never say never, but I don't see myself there. I don't.
We answered this in the interview, guys. You have to see that before your question.
But I really don't know what would I do there. You know,
Okay.
I've seen people doing with so much love and affection because they like it.
Yeah.
I don't like, मैंने ये खाया, मैं इधर हूँ.
Yeah.
There's nothing wrong in it. It's an amazing thing. They really like it. They do it from their heart and they.
काफी consistent रहना पड़ता है पर.
So they, yeah. So they, मतलब मुझसे नहीं हो पाता. Genuinely नहीं हो पाता.
Okay. What are your upcoming shows?
So it's a wrong platform to talk about it right now. But there's a web show and there's a film. But I can't name it right now.
Okay. Well, ये कुछ थे फैंस के सवाल, कुछ मेरे पर्सनल सवाल हैं आपसे. आई इंटरव्यूड अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल अभी आज के दिन में ही, आज सुबह से. सर एक चीज़ ना हमने नोट करी है कि आजकल जो टेलीविजन एक्टर्स है, जो हम आर्टिकल्स भी लिखते हैं वगैरह, यू नो, दे डोंट वांट टू बी नेम्ड एज टीवी एक्टर्स. दे वांट देयर आर्टिकल्स टू कम अंडर बॉलीवुड का नेम, बॉलीवुड का टैग, है ना, कि ऐसे डालो क्योंकि हमने इसमें भी एक पार्ट किया है. You being a part of this industry for such a long time, what do you think ये mindset कहाँ से आ रहा है?
You can quote me as a television actor. I have no problem. You can quote me as any actor. It doesn't matter to me. In fact, television is something that's given me a huge base.
Yeah.
And I'll always be grateful to God for that.
True.
But your second part of the question is ये कहाँ से आया?
हाँ.
ये आया है the way makers of different platforms do a bit of a bias between television actors.
Correct.
And अभी तो एक नई breed आई है. OTT actors.
OTT actors, हाँ जी.
Film actors, OTT actors, television actors. So for me, if you're a good actor, I think you can get work any way you want.
Correct.
So if this thing exists, which पहले तो बहुत ज्यादा थी, अभी कम हो गई है. तो ठीक है, आपकी जर्नी थोड़ी स्लो होगी, लेकिन चाहे जो मर्जी कोई भी कुछ कहे, जो अच्छे मेकर्स होते हैं वो तो देख लीजिए यार ये तो अच्छा है.
Correct. But honestly, we get calls after putting up articles कि आपने टेलीविजन के सेक्शन में क्यों डाला आर्टिकल हमारा. This should go into the Bollywood.
बहुत लोग बोलते हैं ऐसा.
Yeah.
लेकिन इससे फर्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए. देखो सर, रोजी रोटी देने वाला ऊपर वाला है.
Correct.
क्या है काट लेगा इंसान.
Also, we have seen you pairing up with Gurmeet. Is this the first time that you're working with him?
Yes.
Yeah. How was that experience?
We were supposed to work together a long time ago. But it did not happen.
Okay.
It was lovely working, though we don't have lots of scenes together because this whole show is a cat and mouse game between these two. So it's always, it reaches a point, doesn't get me, reaches a point again. So we had little time with the scenes which we did together. But apart from that, we met on the sets. We had a lot of fun.
Any BTS behind the scenes, कुछ आप share करना चाहोगे हमारे साथ? Something fun with Gurmeet या कुछ भी behind the scenes?
Yeah, he's a very respectful guy. He gives me a lot of respect. And it was lovely working with him.
Okay.
We did not get to a level where we could prank somebody else on the set and all that. We didn't get that much time.
ठीक है, maybe second season आएगा अगर जब इसका तो तब. Before wrapping up, I want advice from you for all the budding young actors. क्या एडवाइस देना चाहोगे?
ज्ञान।
फ्री का ज्ञान।
ये खुद को ही बोलूंगा और उनको ही बोलूंगा, वो ये है कि जस्ट ईमानदारी को अपनी जिंदगी में अच्छी तरह से डालो, अपने काम में, अपने रिलेशनशिप्स में, अपनी डेली एक्टिविटीज में ईमानदारी बहुत जरूरी है। बस ये ईमानदारी का मतलब ये नहीं है कि गधा मजदूरी करो।
करेक्ट।
आपको फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आपको 12 घंटे काम करना तो 12 घंटे आप फुल ईमानदारी के साथ, उसके बाद आप सीना ठोक के निकल जाओ साइड से ऊपर, कोई कुछ नहीं करेगा आपको।
करेक्ट।
गलत नहीं करोगे आप, लेकिन ईमानदार।
ट्रू।
माँ बाप के साथ, दोस्तों के साथ, भी बच्चों के साथ, सब ईमानदारी बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज होती है लाइफ।
वंडरफुल। ये
और रोजी रोटी देने वाला होता है ऊपर वाला।
करेक्ट।
आपको अपना बिट करना है, आपका बिट क्या है? हार्ड वर्क।
करेक्ट।
बस वो।
करेक्ट।
उसके बाद आपको किसी को गॉडफादर बनाने की जरूरत नहीं, आपको किसी को खुदा बनाने की जरूरत नहीं, क्योंकि वो है।
ट्रू।
अगर आपने उसका ओहदा किसी और को दे दिया वो गलत है मेरे हिसाब से।
True. Wonderfully said, sir. अभी आपने रिलेशनशिप बोला तो मुझे याद आया, I was reading about you and ma'am somewhere about your love story. आजकल की जनरेशन में काफी ज्यादा डिफरेंस आ गया in the language of dating, ना, love language में। क्या सीक्रेट है about for a happy relationship or a happy marriage or you know being together for so many years? What is that?
Yeah, I feel क्योंकि हम दोनों की शादी ना बहुत जल्दी हो गई थी।
Okay.
मैं 25 साल का था।
हाँ।
When I think Sneha was 23.
आप लोग म्यूजिक वीडियो में
हाँ, that was long time.
हाँ।
So we got married really. So technically we have grown up together in that age.
Correct.
The later you do it ना,
the more difficult.
फिर क्या होता है, आपकी डिमांड बढ़ जाती है।
हाँ।
बहुत पहले क्या होता है ना, जो भी खामियां होती है ना इंसान में, इंसान तो है ही, हर इंसान में खामियां होती है, परफेक्ट तो कोई है नहीं।
True.
तो जब शुरू में होता है ना, तो वो एक ऐसा डिफॉल्ट लगता है कि वो एक चीज है।
हाँ।
तो वो खलता नहीं है।
करेक्ट।
जितना ही लेट होता है ना,
हाँ।
उतनी चीजें खलने लगती है।
करेक्ट।
अरे ये तो ऐसे हो जाता है, वो तो फिर ऐसे प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है कि मतलब
बहुत छोटी-छोटी चीजें भी,
हर छोटी-छोटी चीज पे आप किसी इंसान को मना कर सकते हो, और आप इतना एक लेवल पे पहुंच जाते हो कि आप कहते हो कि नहीं। और फिर लाइफ में एक ऐसा स्टेज आता है जब आप कहते हैं नहीं कर ही लेते हैं, और उस टाइम जो पहला इंसान आता है उसे कर लेते हैं।
हाँ।
फिर वो फिर चाहे खूनी क्यों ना हो, फिर लाइफ की लग जाती है।
मेरी तो 25 उम्र निकल गई, अब मैं क्या करूं?
अरे नहीं, अभी करेक्ट है।
करेक्ट है।
2-3 साल में कर लेना।
वंडरफुल। कमांडर के लिए फैंस को आप क्या कहना चाहोगे?
8 जुलाई हमारा अमेजिंग शो कमांडर गन्स से आ रहा है। आई थिंक everybody should watch it. It is actually for everyone. It's a typical massy show with lots of fun, lot of action, and mind-stimulating screenplay. It's amazing. Everybody should watch it. It's nice. It's amazing, and you see some really different. I don't want to use hatke type content, but it is actually very different from what is right now on OTTs. It's really massy. At the same time, we've kept it real. It's amazing.
With whatever Iqbal has told us, I feel it's really over the top. And to catch him to see in a never before seen avatar, guys, 8 July is the date. Mark your calendars. Signing off, this is Nikita Bagwan with cameraman Babaji and Akshay, India Forum, Mumbai.